I just filmed this intro already and like the first 10 minutes of the video, and then I realised that I'd forgotten to turn my mic on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've literally just said all of this already and it feels really weird repeating myself, but stupidly forgot to turn on my mic. In today's video, I'm finally getting around to doing the wet brushes makeup challenge. I believe Michael Finch was the first person to start this challenge, and you guys have been asking if I would do this for a while. I have been wanting to do it for a while, but in all honesty, I just couldn't be bothered to wash my makeup brushes because I knew that after this video, having dunked them in water, I was probably gonna have to go wash them, so I just couldn't be bothered to do that. But I mean, I guess this is a good incentive to actually force me to wash them because they're a little bit gross. Today's notification shout out goes to Saf, and she said, I was watching Infinity War, so I was a little bit late, but notification squad. I love you so much, Soph. You make me smile every single day. It's been too long since I've subscribed, but I'll never stop watching your content. Keep on going. Your channel has truly never been better, which is so nice. Thank you so much, Saf, for your lovely comment. And thank you guys for all of your lovely comments on my previous video. If you guys want me to do more challenges, give this video a big thumbs up so that I know. If this video gets 10,000 thumbs up, I might drop some more hints on my Twitter about something that's been a secret. Oh, I really don't want to do this. I've got my glass of water. I feel like I'm gonna end up with water like dripped all over my lap, and I'm not really down for that because I'm wearing shorts. Okay, for my foundation, I'm mixing together these two, which I did talk about in my top drugstore foundations video. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Beige, and then this is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the white mixer. So I'm gonna mix these together. Okay, now I really feel like I've put too much of the white on, but we're just gonna go with it. And first brush is foundation. All of my brushes are dirty, which is kind of gross, but I don't want to do this. How much of the water am I allowed to get off? Let's just squeeze it out a bit, otherwise it's literally gonna drip all down my face. Ooh, it feels so weird. Oh my god, I literally feel like I'm painting my face. Oh, this looks so streaky. It just dripped on my leg. Ooh. Why is it dripping on my leg? I thought I squeezed it out. Just getting water in my eyes. I am gonna have to blend so much. I think I mixed this foundation a bit too light for me, but hopefully we can fix that when I add my powder. I thought this was going to be the easy step, but oh my god, it just looks so streaky. For my concealer, I'm using the EX1 Delete Fluid in the shade 1. I think I've used this on my channel before, but I haven't used it like since that video, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this on with my finger and then obviously blend it out with my lovely wet brush. I would normally use my beauty blender to blend... Oh, look at this. I would normally use my beauty blender to blend out concealer, but oh my god, it just makes everything go so streaky. I thought this bit was going to be so easy, but I was wrong. I'm now going to move on to powder. I'm using this Lottie London Ready Set Go translucent powder. I thought it would be so much easier to use a loose powder rather than a pressed powder. And I'm just going to fully submerge it. Give it a little... Let's give that a little squeeze. Oh, okay, right. I think I just need to get loads of it on. Ew. Oh my god, this feels so counterproductive. This is literally the worst feeling. If you guys have never tried putting your makeup on with wet brushes, I would not recommend it. It literally feels horrible. Can you guys see the water like on my face? Ew, it's all like gone clumpy in the pot. Okay, now the concealer has all come off this spot on my nose, great. Oh, I just got water in my eye. How did Michael Finch make this work? The foundation is starting to come off my face where I'm using this brush, so I'm just gonna stop. Okay, what's next? Next, I'm gonna do my bronzer, and for this, I thought I'd use a palette that I don't particularly like that much because I didn't want to ruin like my £40 Kevyn Aucoin bronzer. So I'm gonna be using this, which is actually pretty dark. This is the LA Girl blush collection in Glow. And it's got a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlight. So I'm just going to be using this today. And I'm using my iconic angled brush. And we're going to dip it in, give it a little swirl around. Oh my god. Okay, right, that's just completely taken off my foundation. I thought it was gonna come out like really, really dark. However, I mean, it kind of blended better than I thought it would. It's kind of going on like a cream bronzer, but a lot more sheer. Hey guys, maybe wetting your... Oh my god, I've just noticed. Look at my face now that it's dried. Why? Why did I use a translucent powder? Get off my face. Because I suck at like cream bronzers, but this is going on a lot more sheer than a standard cream bronzer, and it's like actually blending, which is really weird. I spoke too soon. Okay, yeah, I definitely spoke too soon. This looks really bad. I feel like I need bronzer over like my whole face because I just look so pale. To try and darken my foundation a bit. Okay, so next I'm gonna use blush, and I'm using my same delightful brush, and I'm gonna use the shade right here, the pink one. Oh! Okay. Well, that broke. Whoops. Oh, it also landed on my knee on the way down. I've now got a nice patch of blush on my knee. I really need to get like a proper filming setup instead of just filming on my bed, because this is why I drop things all the time. Every product that I add onto my skin, it is just removing coverage from my foundation. Then for highlight, I'm using my favourite highlighter brush, which I don't really want to ruin, but I'm gonna just do it anyway. I'm gonna be using the same highlighter from the palette that I just broke, and let's do this. I'm sorry, Zoeva. Oh my god, this is just too wet to even show up on my skin. It's just removing the coverage and not actually putting much product on my face. I thought this was gonna be like the best bit, because wet highlight normally comes out really nice. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it, but it's very patchy. So I'm just taking this little brush, which is from the Body Shop, and I think this is supposed to be an eyeshadow brush, but I use this to do my nose highlight, so let's just get that nice and wet. And then my nose. Like, even with water, this highlight isn't as intense as I want it to be. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Revolution Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. I feel like this one is definitely going to be the easiest because this brush really cannot hold much water. Okay, this isn't so bad. It's kind of working as normal. Well, not really as normal, but you know, it's not going too badly. It's just coming out a little bit more sheer. But I mean, to be honest, I'm not mad at that. My face feels so dry. Now that everything's dried, I feel like it's kind of like sucked my skin up. What? For my eyes, I'm using the palette that I've been using as my mirror. And this is the Revolution Million palette. It was to celebrate them reaching 1 million on Instagram. It's now covered in loose powder, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm just taking this big fluffy crease brush. I'm taking this color here, which is a matte purpley color. And, oh, okay. Actually, you know what? That's not too bad. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is blending a lot better than I thought it would. I mean, it's really not the best, but it's really not the worst. Although I do feel like my brush is now pretty much dried, so I'm just gonna dip it back in again. I'm just taking this little brush here, and this is a little bit smaller. Again, I'm dipping it in that water. Okay, and then I'm taking the darker purple shade, and I'm just gonna put this on like my outer corner. Whoa, okay. Oh crap, I've taken way too much. Let's put some on the other side. Oh my gosh. Ew, I just dripped all over my leg. Okay, wait, I'm going back to my like fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna try and like blend those together. Oh my god, okay, this is turning into a mess. Let's just run some of that, what's left on my brush, along my lower lash line. Then on my lid, I'm taking a flat brush. This is my favorite little brush, which I got in a set when I was about 15, and I have no idea, it doesn't even have a name, but it's just such a good little brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this like burgundy shimmer shade here, And I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Look, see, this is what I wanted. I knew that the shimmer eyeshadow part was gonna go so well because if you wet your brush for shimmer shades, it just intensifies them even more, so I am not mad at this. Oh my god, I need to start wetting my brushes more for eyeshadow, like shimmer eyeshadows. And then I'm taking this shade right here, which is a bright gold, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corners. Like, look at this pigment. Then for eyeliner, I have this NYX like weird angled eyeliner brush, and I'm just gonna dip this into some water and then wipe it off. I literally never use gel liner normally, but you gotta do what you gotta do. This is the Beauty Bakery Black Milk Gelato eyeliner. Looks like this. It's just kind of not going on. No offense, but this brush is a bit too fat to do my eyeliner with. So the eyeliner is just not showing up. I don't know whether it's the eyeliner or whether it's the water, but it kind of not the best. This is possibly the worst eyeliner I have ever done, so I'm taking my concealer brush. I'm just gonna... That now looks even worse. Okay, right, so now that I've done everything else, what do I do about mascara and lips? I don't actually know. Let me just watch Michael's video. Okay, right, so in Michael Finch's video, he didn't do his mascara or his lipstick with a wet brush, so I am just gonna go do my mascara and my lipstick, and then I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay, so on my lips, I used the Beauty Bakery I Like to Chai Chai Lip Whip, which looks like this. It's a really pretty colour, but I accidentally like really overlined my lips by accident. And then my mascara, I used Benefit Roller Lash because it's the only one that I had right next to me, so there we go. I mean, to be honest, like, from far away, it doesn't look too bad, but then let me just give you a little close up. Look at my skin and how dry and flaky and patchy it's gone. It just does not look okay. Like, look at these lines here. This is not okay. What is this? Like, look at the gap between my eyebrows. Why? There we go, guys. That has been it. Here is my finished result. To be honest, I thought this water was going to be more gross looking, so I need to actually throw this away because knowing me, I'd probably forget that I dipped my brushes in it and then like go to drink it later in the afternoon, so I'm going to go throw this away. I'm also now going to go wash my brushes that I used. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope it somewhat entertained you, and I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!